We are pleased to show you the 2017 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power sunroof, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.